there, little brainiacs. Welcome to KOOL Creative Mingle. Today, story topic is the moon and her starry companions.
In the vast expanse of the night sky, an eternal dance of shimmering elegance took place. The moon, with her luminous glow, orbited gracefully, casting a serene light over the earth below. She was a solitary presence, her journey steady and unchanging as she traversed the evening heavens. Yet, while her glow was constant, her heart longed for companionship, a voice to share the secrets of the night. Her luminous companions were the stars, scattered like diamonds on a dark velvet canvas. From her perch in the night sky, the moon often admired their twinkling beauty. The stars, although many, sometimes felt fragmented, each one isolated from the other by the infinite distances between them. One particularly clear night, the moon gathered her courage and spoke softly into the cosmos. "Dear stars, why do you remain silent from one another? We share this night's canvas, and yet we whisper not, nor share stories of our journeys." One of the stars, a vibrant soul named Solara, twinkled brighter than before, drawing attention from the others. "Oh, dear moon," Solara began, "often we do shine bright, but distance keeps us in isolation. We watch you from afar, steady and bright, and we too long for a shared companionship across this cosmic sea." Delighted by the exchange, the moon's glow shimmered with newfound warmth. "Why don't we create a tradition? A time each night when we share our stories across the skies," she suggested. Solara flickered with excitement. "That would be splendid. Each night, as the world below dreams, we shall weave tales of ancient times, of cosmic dances, and dreams waiting to take flight." Thus began their nightly symphony, where stories flowed like a gentle breeze across the heavens. They spoke of galaxies and comets, of the birth of stars and the whispering winds of nebulas yet unborn. The stars found unity in these tales, their distance bridged by the light of shared stories. As the nights passed, the bond strengthened. Comets would sometimes join in their orbit. Drawn by the laughter and whispers of the celestial companionship, even the sun, watching from afar in the day, would sometimes linger at the horizon to listen just a little longer before dawning a new day. This celestial friendship became a beacon of unity in the dark. A testament that even in vast loneliness, connection could be found. It inspired those below to look to the stars and to check that no distance is too great for friendship, and no loneliness is insurmountable with shared stories and laughter. Thus, the moon, no longer a solitary figure in the sky, shone with a joy that reflected on the earth each night. And the stars, no longer silent, twinkled in harmonious splendor, filling the night with warmth and wonder. Together, they forged a friendship that lit up the night and told the timeless tale of companionship in the grand tapestry of the universe.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.